You ever wake up and feel like you're doing everything right, but nothing is changing? You got your goals, you're busy, you're productive, but deep down, you feel flat. Like you're running on a treadmill, you're running and running and running, but nothing moves. It's not your job, it's not your boss, it's not even your schedule. It's something way sneakier, a quiet habit that kills your progress while you're too busy to notice. And once I tell you what it is, you will start seeing it everywhere. In your conversation, in your routines, even the way you think. It's about your brain slowly trades curiosity for comfort. And that trade makes your life feel smaller, duller, stuck. The good news here is where everything changes. Curiosity is not a talent, it's a habit. And I always say to the people that I coach and I work with, you can train it. And in this case, train it back. Studies shows that curiosity releases dopamine, the same chemical that makes learning and discovery feels good. In the other words, curiosity doesn't make you smarter, it makes you happier. By the end of this video, you will know how to use this habit and how to train it. And there are many ways to handle it. You heard me right, many ways to do that. But here we will go with 3 easy ways to rebuild that spark. Let's get to it. So why asking a question can change everything? Because we are trained to have answers, but answers end conversation. Questions, on the other hand, start them. In a study, they found out 76% of kindergartners regularly ask exploratory questions. By 4th grade, it drops to 43%, and by 12th grade, only 28%. If we stop questioning, we stop expanding. Start by asking why, what if, I wonder in your next meeting, in your next chat, in your next scroll. Yeah, you heard me right. In your next scroll, pause and question something. Einstein said, the important thing is not to stop questioning. And he meant it. Every great discovery starts with someone getting curious about something boring. Then start questioning everything you do. It's going to get really scary because when you know some answers, then comes the next step, and it is change. For now, just focus on questions and open-ended ones like why, how, and what, and I wonder. You start optimizing your life for efficiency. Every minute accounted for, every task in a box. And it feels great, right? Until one day you realize you're not excited anymore. We tell ourselves, I'll travel when work slows down. I'll start that hobby when my life calms down. But to be real, life never calms down, does it? When was the last time you scheduled wonder and exploration? Do it once a week. Block 1 hour for curiosity. Last month, I caught myself listening to the same playlist for 3 years. That's autopilot in action. So I asked my friends for songs I never try. Classic, metal, K-pop. Within an hour, I was obsessed with 3 new artists. One tiny act of curiosity made my world feel fresh again. A study found out that the participants who immersed themselves in nature for 4 days saw about 50% improvement in creativity and problem-solving tests compared to a closed environment participant. No goal, no productivity, no agenda, just explore. Read about a field you know nothing about. Take a walk and look around for something you never noticed before. This 1 hour will do more for your energy and creativity than an entire weekend of doom scrolling. And before we talk about the third one, if you want to go deeper, subscribe to my channel. I have more videos like this in my channel. And thanks for watching. Now let's go to the third one. One of the biggest killer of curiosity is ego. You try something new, fail instantly, and your brain goes, see? Not for us. But that's exactly when curiosity begins. Most people stop the moment they feel clumsy. They confuse discomfort with danger. But being bad is not dangerous, it's data. Every failure, every cringe moment is your brain rewiring itself. The faster you allow yourself to suck, the faster you grow. Try something you'll suck at on purpose. Tell yourself, I want to start this thing and I will be bad at it at first. Play an instrument that you never touch. Paint terribly. Try communicating better with someone who never listens. Every time you do this, you are telling your nervous system it's safe to explore. It's safe to fail. That's how confidence is built, not by knowing, but by surviving the unknown. Being bad is the ticket of being great. Nobody skips it. Every expert, every creator, every leader you admire has a trail of embarrassing first attempts behind them. They just didn't stop there. Once you stop protecting your image, curiosity floods back in. You start experimenting again and you start living again. So go fail proudly this week. You will be shocked how alive it feels. Feeling stuck isn't failure. It's a feedback. It's your life saying you've stopped exploring. So this week, rebuild your curiosity muscle. Ask questions that you don't have answers. Schedule an hour of discovery. Be bad at something new. And remember this, comfort feels safe, but curiosity makes you alive. You don't need a new life for now. You need new questions to shape that new life for you.